Buenos días. Hoy es el 5 de mayo. If today is the 5th of May, you could say Feliz 5 de mayo. Tal vez es el 6 de mayo, es miércoles o jueves. Make sure that you're always using your expresiones útiles para la clase de español. Okay, ¿qué es el 5 de mayo? What is the 5th of May? What is this? What is 5 de mayo? What does it celebrate? What is it all about? So I'm going to ask you, the viewer, that question, and then I'm going to invite you to press play and find out yourself to see how accurate you are. As I advance this slide, it's going to start, but just you're going to watch this on your own time. And then also on your own time, La Historia de 5 de Mayo. So this gives a little bit more information of the history around 5 de Mayo. And again, you can watch this on your own time. Y aquí son unas fotos. Here's some pictures of a recent 5 de Mayo parade in Colorado. Okay, I want you at this point to be able to introduce friends to each other and doing this without looking at the screen. So practicing enough where you feel comfortable saying your friends, no, your name, nombre, Luis, te presento a Mario, no? And then they would respond. So make sure you're familiar with introducing two people, introducing them to each other, and then also if you are introduced, how do you respond over here, naranja? The same goes for this. Asking your friend, Luis, ¿a dónde vas? He will reply, yo voy al parque, and then making sure you're familiar with transporte. Yo voy al parque a pie. ¿Y tú? Yo voy a la escuela en autobús. So making sure that you know how to ask and answer. Again, here are the 5 conjugations of ir, voy a, vas a, va a, vamos a, y van a. Okay, so I want you to kind of play ping pong or tennis, and it might be with yourself if you're learning from home, but what you're going to do is start with a pronoun, nosotros, and then think to yourself, what goes with nosotros in ir? Vamos a, we are going to now give a place, la escuela, in bici. So let's go back to this chart. Choose any subject pronoun and try to avoid looking at the chart. Ellos van a, now give a random place, el cine a pie. So you're trying to create as many unique sentences. You would have 10 unique sentences because there's 10 subject pronouns, remembering the verb that goes with them, el lugar, the place, y el transporte. So in this way, nosotros vamos a la escuela en bici. Nosotros vamos a la escuela en bici. So starting to become fluent in how you say where you're going. Okay? So you are going to work on un repaso rápido, a quick review. This might be in pairs, or if you're at home solo, it might be solo. So what your job is now is to take that subject, Carlos, conjugate ir. So you're basically telling me Carlos is going to the school in car. So you should come up with Carlos va a la escuela en carro. Okay, pause and do this work on your own and check if it's correct by unpausing. Nosotros vamos a el supermercado. So it would be nosotros vamos al supermercado en autobús. Número 3, pause and do this alone. Número 3, the correct answer is tú vas al cine en taxi. Número 4, do this alone and pause. Número 4, Tomás y Sofía van a la biblioteca a pie. Número 5, pause. Número 5, la respuesta. Usted va al café. Oops, I made a mistake. Usted va al café. I think this might have said en bicicleta. So you could just say, usted va al café. Okay, número 6, pausa. Número 6, la respuesta. Yo voy a Chile en avión. Okay, now I want you to practice. Vamos a escuchar. We are going to listen. You can click on the audio there. Okay. And what you need to do is write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what you're doing is listening for número 1, whatever they say, you have to match it with the letter. So for example, if they said número 1, Carlos va en carro, that would be letter B, and so you'd write 1 as B. So I want you to listen to this. Do your best. So you're going to access this by going into slides again. And then check again for your answers. Pause. Okay, the answers. Las respuestas. 1, C, 2, D, 3, B, 4, A, 5, F, 6, E. Okay, the conjugation of ir, what we've been working on, is your tarea. So work on that for next class. Gracias. Adios.